Hey there, it's Lou from All About Imports, and today we're taking a look at a kind of cool car. It's a little rough, it's a little beat, but it's got lots of potential. Porsche made this car from 1965 through to 69. The car we're looking at here is a 66. Now, it was meant to replace the Porsche 356. The 912 is essentially a 911 just with a value-conscious motor in it. So it's got a 4-cylinder Volkswagen motor as opposed to the 6-cylinder Porsche engine that would have come in the 911s. Anybody that knows vintage Porsches knows that anything that's air-cooled is pretty darn desirable. 356s are just worth a fortune. 911s are rapidly going up in value. These 912s are kind of caught in between, in the nowhere land between the two. As the value of 911s goes up and the supply goes down, chances are people are going to start looking to these 912s to fill that gap. Hold the throttle to the floor. Just hold the throttle. Don't pump it. Just hold the throttle to the floor. Oh man, check out this door though. Definitely needs a seatbelt upgrade, as in this car doesn't come with any seatbelts. It certainly is not the cleanest of cars, but everything's there. All the parts are there. The car runs decently. Needs some work though.